In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
Human embryonic stem cell research is a new and promising field with so many dangers and ethical considerations. So how has Islam developed a position on such a sensitive topic?
The human embryonic stem cells research, of course, it's a new thing. And how basically can we discuss this matter? Now, again, there is a difference between the scientific facts and theory versus scientific research like this. It's from an ethical perspective, and that's not really necessarily an issue with the Quran as much as the theological and also in jurisprudence of fiqh and Islam. So these are what we call them, with the ulama, they call them today an-nawazil, fiqh an-nawazil, which means the cases, unprecedented cases in fiqh, the Islamic jurisprudence. And I don't know how many of the students over here, how many of you attended with me some of the classes on fiqh an-nawazil, the unprecedented cases in Islam. So there are specific dawabit, there are specific rules that needs to be followed. Regardless of the case, whether it's the issue of stem cells or even in the medical field or in financial field, such as the use of riba, which is basically interest in economy and so forth, all these cases will fall under the same rules of what we call them fiqh al-nawazil, the fiqh jurisprudence of unprecedented events. There are specific rules for that, and many of these cases today still under investigation of major Muslim academies, fiqh academies. So the answers are still under deliberation among the ulama. Just like if you study the history of many cases of fiqh, many of them, they stayed in deliberation, stayed in debates and discussion among the fuqaha until the institutions of fiqh, such as the Hanafis, the Malikis, Shafi'is, and Hanbalis during those times, they came to conclusion regarding some of these cases and became standards opinion in these madhab. And then you would finalize it to one or two major opinions in the entire case. Today, these issues are still modern. They are still under debate, still under discussions. The answer is not yet finalized. It's going to continue perhaps maybe for some time until the ulama, they give a specific answer for these kind of cases. So it's not final, it's still in discussions, and you will always find another opinion regardless of what opinion you adopt to these cases. Wallahu a'lam.